sum of residues of f of z equals sin z upon z cos z at the poles lying inside circle modulus of z equals 2. In order to find out poles, we have to equate denominator to 0. Z cos z when equated to 0 gives z equals 0 and values z equals plus minus pi by 2, plus minus 3 pi by 2, plus minus 5 pi by 2, plus minus 7 pi by 2, etc. as simple poles. When you equate cos z equals 0, we have z whenever assumes odd multiple of pi by 2 will assume cos z equals 0. That's how we have obtained these set of poles. From among these poles, we identify that z equals 0 and z equals plus minus pi by 2 will only lie inside the circle modulus of z equals 2. This is because giving value pi equals 3.14, we have plus minus pi by 2 equals plus minus 1.57 and whose modulus is less than 2. Therefore, 0 and plus minus pi by 2 will only lie inside modulus of z equals 2. Regarding the other poles, plus minus 3 pi by 2, plus minus 5 pi by 2, etc. we have modulus value greater than 2 and therefore all those poles will lie outside the circle modulus of z equals 2. Now we will find out residues for poles which lie inside the circle. Residue of f of z for the simple pole z equals 0 is obtained as limit z tends to 0 z f of z, which is limit z tends to 0 sin z upon cos z, which is 0. Residue of f of z at z equals pi by 2 is obtained as limit z tends to pi by 2 z minus pi by 2 into f of z. That is limit z tends to pi by 2 z minus pi by 2 into sin z upon z cos z. We have 0 by 0 form when you directly apply the limits, and thus we will apply L'Hospital's rule. We take derivative of numerator and denominator correspondingly using product rule, and we have the corresponding derivatives obtained here. Derivative of numerator is obtained as z minus pi by 2 into cos z plus sin z. Derivative of denominator is obtained as cos z minus z sin z. On direct application of limit, we have this term becoming 0 and cos pi by 2 is also 0. We have sin pi by 2 upon negative pi by 2 into sin pi by 2 obtained as 1 by negative pi by 2 or negative 2 by pi. That is, residue of f of z at z equals pi by 2 is obtained as negative 2 by pi. Similarly, we will find out residue of f of z at z equals negative pi by 2. We have limit z tends to negative pi by 2 z plus pi by 2 into f of z obtained as limit z tends to negative pi by 2 z plus pi by 2 into sin z upon z cos z. Again, we have the 0 by 0 indeterminate form. We will apply L'Hospital's rule. We will take the derivative of numerator and denominator using product rule, and we have limit z tends to negative pi by 2 z plus pi by 2 cos z plus sin z, which is this is the derivative of numerator, and derivative of denominator is obtained as cos z minus z sin z. On direct application of limits, we have the value obtained as 2 by pi. Therefore, residue of f of z at z equals negative pi by 2 is obtained as 2 by pi. We are asked to find out sum of residues. Therefore, we will sum up 0, negative 2 by pi and positive 2 by pi. We get the final answer for the sum of residues as 0.